channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Facebook notification. If you want to on off any notification, is it your feed, your story, your videos, this is how you customize it. So let's dive in. So open your Facebook, you click on this menu button here, which is under your profile button. Click on this profile, sorry guys for that. Click on this profile button. Sorry, it's MTN, sorry. So that click on this, let's go back, sorry guys. So let's go on our settings here now. You go, just scroll down here and click on the setting and privacy. All right, and you click on setting and privacy here, and you click on your settings, and this is it. Scroll up, you see your notification here. Click on your notification, and this is it. This is your notification that you received on your Facebook every day. Now if you want to off anyone here, let me know. I want to off my comments from coming inside. Now you just click on this, then you push. I've off it. My email, I've off it. My SMS, I'm not going to receive any notification from all the three that I have off. So if I want to on it back, I'll just click on on. This is it. Let's go back here now and let's go to our birthday. You know, Facebook used to give us a notification of, oh, today is your birthday, and I don't want them to give me any notification. I'll just come here and I'm going to off it, and they will not send me any notification. Birthday, it's so nice, so good. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment to see more of our videos. Love you guys.